How to create a whiteboard animation like this.
Timmy worked all day, even when his strength felt low. His body got weak, but his dreams refused to let him slow. He pushed through the tired days, step by steady step. The aim is never to give up, no matter what.
So the first thing you need to do is to head over to Play Store and you search for Benim Whiteboard Video Marker. You download it and you open it. Once you open it, this is how the interface is going to look like. But yours is not going to have this project here because it's actually new. This project is showing here because I have done something. So if you are opening your own for the first time, here is going to be blank. So to add a new project, you have to click on this plus sign here, and then you can see you have name your animation. But before we name our animation, you can see format here, which means that you have to choose the size that you want. Where you are posting this video will determine the size that you want. So this is YouTube. Let's just go for YouTube 1080p. Okay, then we'll name our animation. Let's name it favor 2. Okay, you don't have to put space in between unless it won't save. Then you click on create project. So our project is created. So we need to start. You can see that there is a Benim logo right here. I'm going to show you how you can remove that logo right from this app for free. Okay, before we go further, I need to say this. One thing I need to say about this app is that it plays ads in between your work. So except you're on the paid version, it's not going to play any ad. But if you're using the free version, you have to watch ads in between to continue what you are doing, which is not so bad. So let's come down here. You can see stickers, text, BG, hand, and music. So let's say you want to start a new project. Now, what do you need to do first? Firstly, you need to have in mind what you want to do, right? You have the picture of what you want to do. So when you come to sticker here, you can see that you have the opportunity to add image, add SVG, add animation. Add image, that means you have an image already that you want to animate, that you want to draw, okay? Then you add it. If you don't have it, the app has lots of images that you can work with that would rhyme with your storyline. Okay, you can see you have casual male, corporate female, and all of that. So many of them. So let's start. Let me just pick one that will rhyme with my story idea. So let's just pick this one. Okay, so you can see down here that you have the opportunity to increase the size or reduce the size just so that it fits the frame properly. You can see down here that you have duration, delay, and pause. This duration is how long do you want the hand to draw the story. You can't actually determine that now until you add your audio so that your audio and the drawing will synchronize with each other. Okay, I will show you how to do that. Then you can decide to change the color. If you don't like this color, you can come to color here and you pick any color that you want. It changes it to that color. Okay, let me just stick to black. I like it like this. Okay, now let's go back. If you don't like this background color, you can also change it. You come to this one here and you search for select color, then you change the color to that. Okay, now to make this draw, I know that is why you are here. You want to know how to make this draw, right? To do that, you see this hand here, you click on it. Then you have several hands that you can choose from. Just pick any one that you like, right? And then when we play it, you have something like this. Do you see that? It is fast, right? You can reduce it or you can increase it just to align with your audio. Okay, so now let's add an audio so that will show you how to align your drawing with the audio. You can see this music here. You come to music, then you have the opportunity to add your own audio. Maybe you downloaded it from somewhere else, or you record it directly here, or you choose the text to speech option here. So I actually have a voice that I've already downloaded, so I'll just quickly put that here. So I've added the music. Let me play it and you see how it is.
Timmy worked all day, even when his strength felt low.
Do you see that it's not really rhyming? But wait, I'm going to show you how to align it. Now let's go back and add the second clip. You see this plus sign here, you just click on it to add the next one. I want to add another sticker. I need somebody that is in the hospital to fit in my audio. So I'll just look for somebody in the hospital here. Okay, see somebody in the hospital here. Okay, now I can increase it to fit the screen properly, just like the first one. Okay, when that is set, then I go back and then I'll play it and see if it rhymes with my audio.
Timmy worked all day, even when his strength felt low. His body got weak, but his dreams refused to let him.
You see that is too fast. So I'll go back to the first slide, tap on the body like this, and then the duration, I would increase it to, sorry, this place is for increasing, while the other one is for decreasing. So I'll just increase it to 4. You can either increase it like this, or you just tap on it and you enter the value in seconds that you want. Okay, 4, that's okay. Then I go to the other one and then I also increase it to 4. All right, now let's go back and play it.
Timmy worked all day, even when his strength felt low. His body got weak, but his dreams refused to let him slow.
You can see that it doesn't rhyme, right? That is what you have to do. You have to keep ensuring that the audio and the image rhymes together. So I will go back again to the second one and tap on it and decrease this back to 3, or let's say 3.5, and let me see.
Timmy worked all day, even when his strength felt low. His body got weak, but his dreams refused to let him slow.
See that it aligns perfectly. You can keep adding your other images to synchronize with the audio. I'm not going to do that so that this video is not going to be too long. Okay, now you have the opportunity to add text here. If you want to add text to the body of this drawing, you can add text. So let's say I want to say hello, just for sample, insert, and then you drag it to wherever you want the text to be. Okay, it's not compulsory, it is optional. Then you can see the text edit here to select the color, the size, the font, and all of that. Okay, the next thing here is BG. BG means background. Like you want to change your background, you can either select a color to change the background or to use an image. If you want to use an image, you have to go to your gallery or go to your phone and bring in an image. Or you want to select a color, you choose a color from here and it will change it for you. Okay, we've talked about hand and we've talked about music. Now to remove this Benim logo that is showing here, you just have to click on the X here, and then you have two options: remove permanently or watch ads. If you pick on remove permanently, it will take you to the paid slide where you need to pay for the app. But to do it freely, you just have to watch an ad and then it will remove it free of charge. So let me just quickly watch the ad and then I'll show you how it is. So you can see after watching the ad, the logo is gone. Now, I forgot to say you can add transitions to all the scenes or all the slide in your image. Okay, so you want to do that, you come to this first one here, then you see add transitions. So you click on it and you have a lot of transitions that you can use. Okay, so if we pick this slide left now, do you see it? We click slide right, slide up, right? Then when anyone you pick, you just click apply between all pages if you want it to apply between all pages, or you can start picking different transitions for different page. Okay, now let's play it with the transition and see how it is.
Timmy worked all day, even when his strength felt low. His body got weak, but his dreams refused to let him slow.
Anytime you want to play it to check what you have done, just click on this play button up here.
So that's all about Benim whiteboard animation. You can go ahead to check through all the features, navigate through it and see what you can do with it. It's actually very simple and free, 100% free. Once you're done with everything and you want to save this project to your device, you see this share button here, that's what you're going to use. If you click this first one here, it's going to save it onto the app. Like let's say you want to continue later, so you just save it and then you come back later to continue. So if you are done and you want to save it to your device, you just click on this share button and you can see movie name your movie favor, then you click on make movie and then you can see that it is downloading onto my phone.
Now that you've learned how to do this, please like this video, share it, and follow me for more tips.